A very warm welcome everyone in this video, and in this video I will show you that how can you create a slideshow without any software. So let's start from scratch. I am using Windows 10, so in the search bar I will type video edit. It is not an external app, it is pre-installed within the Windows 10. In the earlier version it is known as Windows Movie Maker or maybe something else. When you open it, you will see something like this, but I don't think so that you will see because you didn't have any project. So click on a new video project, name it if you want to. This is your editor and click on add. So you want to add your photos from the PC, but right now I don't have any photos, so I will add some photos from the web. I can show you a demo. So I love animals. I will add some animals images. This. Oh no, amazing. I will insert them. I have inserted all my images. Then you want to drag and drop your images in the storyboard. If you use any other video editor, then you will see a timeline, but this is a bit different. Here you are a storyboard. First of all, I want to add a tags that so what before adding a tags you have to click on add title card. Let me delete it and show you once again. So click on a title card and then you will see something like this. Then you can click on background and here you can select any background that you like. Anyone, you can even go with the custom color. Then I will add some text and here you can add your text. So I will add MORI memories. This is your animation text style. You can choose anyone. Oh, that looks cool. And you can also control the duration from this. And this is your position of the text. I think this one looks nice. And you can also preview it. Oh, that'll look amazing. Have you noticed that we didn't have any background music? So this is the button from where you can add your background music. These are some built-in music. You can add your own by clicking on that custom. Then you can load file from your library. But I will go with the default one. And of course, you can listen them before applying. This looks good, and this is for the volume control. Here it will look nice. 10. Okay, so music has been added. This board will be show for the 30 seconds, but you can control right click on it and click on duration, and here you can even go with the custom one, but I think 2 seconds are good enough. I will click on change. Then I will add my photo. How about this one? So you just need to drag and drop like this one, and again that default duration of every board is 3 seconds. So if I add another one, again it will be a 3 seconds, but you can change for the multiple. Select both of them, then click on the duration, and here you can change it. Now I want to always, when you are making a slideshow, make sure you add some motion to the photos. First of all, because I import this image from the online, that's why you see this text here. So I will remove it because I am using it only for the personal purpose, and these are some motion that you can apply. This one will look good. So let's preview it. That's okay. And here are some 3D effects like adding a fire or a glowing star. I will add a glowing star, and here okay, in the center of these two cats, and you can also control its position like this. I don't know why it's not showing. Okay, it's at the end. So this is the where your effect will show. You can also control some effects duration, but not all of them. That'll look good. Preview it once. Yeah, and it has volume. You can control it. When you are done, click on done. I'm done for this slide, and for this I again go to 3D effects. No, this time I will go to filters. Oh, first of all, again remove me this text filter. This will look good. And in the 3D effects I will go to 3D library, and how about adding some humor? Oh, dance. I will add this one. It will load it from the internet, so make sure you have a working internet connection while using it. Again, you can change its position. Also here, I think that's a good one, and there are some animation that you can apply. How about this one? Let's preview it. Yeah, okay. And this one you can try you can preview all. Yeah, that's good. I will lower the volume and click on done. So this has been added. Now I will add this. Again I will go to 3D effects in the 3D library. Now I will go to animal and insects. So these are some pre-made animals. How about adding a tiger? Maybe you don't need any of them. I don't know why I'm using. Let me remove this tags. Okay, let's preview it. So like this you can add your whole videos wherever you can change its position. I've already talked about the background music. Now talk about some other things. As you can see, there is a empty blank space. You can get rid of click on that canvas icon and click on remove black bars. You see, you have to do it for every slide. You can also you have to do it manually for every slide. Okay, and by default video ratio will be 16:9 ratio, as you can see. So you can change it to 4:3 or make it portrait. If you're shooting video for the TikTok, then make it portrait. And in the settings there are not a lot of options. You can change the folder position. I will go back. If you want to delete any board like this one, select it and click on the delete icon. And if you done a wrong step and these are undo and redo, you basically from here you can undo and redo. You can also use keyword shortcuts undo and redo. How about by applying some filters? Well, we already talked about some filters, making it black and white. Sometimes this takes time, but generally I've seen it is faster than any other video editor if you install on your computer. I will click on done, and when you're ready to export your video, you can also save the project. But when you're ready to make it video, click on finish video, and here you can control your video resolution, more option. What is the make hardware? Okay, click on export. Again it will ask you position. I will click on export and it will take a couple of seconds. If you have any question, query, let me know by the comment section, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So our video has been exported. Okay, again thank you everyone for watching.